If you're like most people, you want your money as quickly and easily as possible. With this free app, you can get paid in minutes simply by doing easy tasks. You'll also earn for referring friends and family. No matter where you are, you can earn money with this app, which is perfect for anyone who's looking to make money from home. You can download this free app and start earning right away. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Businesses and researchers value your insights, knowledge, and experience, and Methinks want you to get paid for your stories. Download free app called Methinks, create an account, sign up for a gig, and get paid for your time. Methinks is a platform for businesses, entrepreneurs, and researchers, where they can host research studies and gain valuable and impactful user and consumer feedback. As a Methinks thinker, you are the user or consumer who provides the feedback, and you get paid for it. A thinker is anyone who has experiences, opinions, ideas, or thoughts about the products and services they encounter in their day-to-day lives. Anyone can be a thinker. If you're under 18, they require parental approval. As long as you have a compatible Android or iPhone and the desire to give meaningful feedback. Methinks is where thinkers get paid to provide insights that help businesses make better products. Methinks is available worldwide. They have a very large community of smart, honest, caring consumers who give the most accurate insights and, in return, receive money for their time and the joy of watching companies bring their insights to the market. What can you do on Methinks? Join face-to-face interviews to discuss your opinions on products. Test brand new apps and websites before they're released. Participate in multi-day studies. Take surveys and questionnaires in a few minutes of downtime. Thinkers are compensated both generously and quickly. They pay weekly on Fridays as long as your account has a positive balance and there is no minimum payout amount. They offer compensation rates ranging from $5 to $100 plus on average for gigs. If you refer a friend and you both receive a bonus at the value of 50% of their first gig's compensation up to $10. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.